Learn advanced idioms for IELTS and other competition exam. Keep your nose to the grindstone. Meaning, the idiom means to work very hard, focusing on a task without resting, often for a long period of time. Sentence: to succeed, she had to keep her nose to the grindstone and work diligently without getting distracted. Put your money where your mouth. Meaning, to back up your words with actions, especially by investing money or taking a risk to support something you believe in. Sentence: instead of just saying you believe in the project, put your money where your mouth is and invest in it. Kick the can down the road. Meaning, to deliberately avoid or delay dealing with a difficult problem or making an important decision, often in the hope that it will go away or become someone else's responsibility later. Sentence: it's not a good idea to kick the can down the road and let the next generation solve the global warming problem. Ballpark figure. Meaning, a rough, approximate estimate, not a precise number, used when exact figures are unavailable or not yet calculated. Sentence: we'll have to go away and cost this carefully, but as a ballpark figure, I'd say it'll be about $2 million. Out of the frying pan into the fire. Meaning, to go from a bad or difficult situation to one that is even worse. It describes a situation where an attempt to escape one problem results in facing a greater or more challenging one. Sentence: he quit his job because of his boss, but the new job's hours were so bad, it was like going out of the frying pan and into the fire. On a shoestring. Meaning, you can travel on a shoestring, you travel very cheaply. You do not spend money on costly hotels. You look for good deals. You might use coupons, discount offers, or other ways to save money. Sentence: the film was made on a shoestring. To put your foot in your mouth. Meaning, to accidentally say or do something that you should not have, especially something that embarrasses someone else. Sentence: I really put my foot in my mouth by asking her if she was pregnant, but she told me she had just gained a lot of weight. To get your ducks in a row. Meaning, to get everything well organized and properly prepared before starting a task or event. Sentence: I need to get my ducks in a row before the big presentation tomorrow. Take the cake. Meaning, to be the most outstanding, surprising, or extreme example of its kind, which can be either a positive or, more commonly, a negative attribute. Meaning, of all the delicious desserts at the party, the chocolate lava cake really took the cake. Chew the cud. Meaning, to think slowly, carefully, and deeply about something, to ponder, meditate, or ruminate on an idea or problem. Sentence: he sat for a moment, chewing his cud before he finally announced his decision. Tighten your belt. Meaning, to spend less money or live more frugally because you have less income than before. Sentence: we will have to tighten our belts for the next few months after buying the new house.
Thanks for watching. Practice these idioms to sound more like a native speaker. Don't forget to like and subscribe.